we'll guide you through how to edit table in 𝗟𝗪𝗞𝗘. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to customize tables in 𝗟𝗪𝗞𝗘 for clearer and more professional diagrams. Many users struggle with formatting, resizing, and styling tables properly. To edit a table in 𝗟𝗪𝗞𝗘, begin by opening your laptop or computer and ensuring it is ready to use. Next, open a browser such as Google Chrome and wait until it loads properly. After that, click on the search bar and type 𝗟𝗪𝗞𝗘, then press Enter to see the results. From the results, go to the official 𝗟𝗪𝗞𝗘 website to ensure you are using the correct platform. Once the page loads, click the Start button to enter the workspace where you can create and edit diagrams. Inside the workspace, select the table you want to edit by clicking on it. Then, double-click on a table cell to activate the text editing mode. Change the text as desired by typing new content directly into the cell. Next, adjust the text size, font type, and color as needed using the formatting options available. After that, adjust the size of each column or row by dragging the border lines carefully. Then, go to the top menu and select the Edit menu to access additional options. From there, select All to highlight the entire table at once. Next, go to the Style menu to customize the table's appearance. Change the table color as desired to match your design preferences. Then, adjust the line thickness to make the table borders more visible or subtle. You can also change the line color if necessary to improve readability or style. Finally, add effects if necessary to enhance the overall look of the table. These effects may include shadows or rounded edges depending on your needs. Once everything is adjusted properly, review the table to ensure all changes are correct and visually clear. Save your work to avoid losing any progress, and keep your diagram organized and ready for sharing or presentation purposes later on whenever needed. You can continue refining the table by repeating these steps whenever additional edits are required for better clarity and structure. Practicing these adjustments will help you work faster and create more professional diagrams over time with consistent results every time you use 𝗟𝗪𝗞𝗘 tools effectively in your daily workflow.